Filtration is one of the 5 keys to overall pool care and is vital to keeping a pool clear and ready for swimming. The pool filter's role is to remove smaller debris from the water. In fact, a cloudy pool is often a symptom of a filter problem. Located after the pump in the pool circulation system, the filter removes particles before they pass through the heater, chlorine feeder, or any other equipment. There are 3 types of pool filters: sand, cartridge, and DE. Each one has its own unique characteristics, but all are effective at pool filtration. DE, or diatomaceous earth, removes the smallest particles but can be harder to maintain. Cartridge filters are easier to handle and help conserve water, while sand filters offer the easiest maintenance for pool owners. Using a shock routinely to break down contaminants helps performance, and so does adding a clarifier to gather particles so the filter can capture them. When pool filters get too dirty, clean them by backwashing them, sand or DE filters, or rinsing, cartridge filter. And twice a season, chemically clean the filter with a product like BioGuard Kleen-It to deep clean the media and release trapped debris, greases, and oils. A smart way to help reduce filter buildup is with the multi-purpose BioGuard Pool Juice Phosphate Remover. This product replaces your weekly clarifier and increases the removal of contaminants from the system. Add in a solid phosphate remover, and you have one great product to help keep your filter and water in top shape. Filtration is highly important to water clarity. Help your filter work its best and enjoy the results.